YouTube channel. Today we're headed down to South Calgary. We'll be working with Hunter today, and we are doing 5 100 amp panels in a 5-plex condo, kind of townhome, I guess you could call it. So yeah, we're gonna try and blast out all 5 today and see if we could do it. So we're kind of challenging ourselves today, but hope you guys enjoy this video and we'll get into it. Hey guys, I just wanted to give a little bit of backstory to this before you watch this video. The 4-plexes are a little bit different because it's, well, in this instance, it's actually a 5-plex. It's 5 loops all in one townhome row. So all the power has already been piped. Like Hunter and I have been there probably 2 or 3 times already. So power's been piped. The tech has been like pulled into each unit with the ground. And then in this kind of circumstance, we need to pull 3/4 inch PVC into like 2 runs for Shaw and Telus into each unit. So in the video, you'll be seeing me doing the PVC to the panel board, and you'll see Hunter actually cutting in the panel. So just a little bit of backstory on that, as well as thank you everyone for subscribing. We're at over 50 subs right now, which is awesome because this is just a kind of an experiment channel, like just trying it out. So I think we're going to set a goal. We're going to try and get 100 subscribers by the end of the year, and I think we definitely can do that. So go ahead and subscribe everyone, and thank you for watching. That's all good. Just getting these connected, and then we'll hopefully not break these when we bend them into the panel there.
Yeah.
See what happens. Man, I like this little jar of glue. Like the end, like the actual applicator is way smaller. It fits in the 3/4 nice.
Oh, nice.
It'd be kind of a pain in the ass for 2.5 inch, but for this stuff, it's perfect.
Yeah.
There we go.
Come on, you bitch. Yep.
Yeah. Hunter's just punching the panel over there. It's actually a professional boxer. He just practices punching electrical equipment.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. You guys see Hunter's professional water bottle holder? That is not made for an impact. It's made for a water bottle.
Water bottles.
Yeah. Perfect.
That's good.
Bam. 1 done.
I'm gonna come down this ladder to make life easy.
Sure. Oh, this one's a swimming pool.
Is it?
Cannonball.
Do you want the ladder?
Ah. Woohoo! Oh, I got water in the boots.
Oh shit.
Fuck, that sucked. Oh.
Hey, these boots should be waterproof, so.
I think you're good.
I'll hand
Oh yeah, I'll take all that. Got that.
so. And bucket of shit.
Bucket of shit. Roger. 16 to center. Good. Oh, this is better than handing off to the fucking rafter.
Yeah.
Yep. Fuck. We forgot pipe. Oh. Cock suckers. Short modification. Anti-short mods. Sick, dude. Alright, so Hunter's cutting in a 100 amp panel here now. So you would have seen like a 200 amp in like the day in the life video that I did. But so like now we have like the big Allen key lugs that do the 4-aught connection. But this is all just #1. It's like tiny to underground spec. So it's literally just a flat blade screw that connects it to a 100 amp panel. So that's why we're actually able to do 5 of these in a day, because it's completely different connection. So we're cruising right now. We're almost done 2 and it's 10:30. So
Is that all it is?
yeah, dude, like we're cruising.
Not having to go to the wholesaler either helps out.
Yeah, no wholesaler today. May have made a little Tim Hortons stop, but you know, that's like that's a mandatory thing. You're not allowed to show up on site without doing that. So yeah, no, we're cruising. We got 2 panels done, and realized we haven't even introduced Hunter. He was just in a basement, which is kind of weird.
Just been here.
He's just been here. He's another apprentice that I work with. He did the undergrounds before I went to school, but now we're kind of working together here lately because we've had so many 4-plexes and 5-plexes and regular undergrounds. So we're been a 2-man crew. But one problem though, I'm just gonna show, then you'll realize what the problem is. Fucking red in my van. Fucking bullshit. He's a Milwaukee guy, I'm a DeWalt guy, so that's a constant battle there. Although he does have secret DeWalt tools,
I
so.
do have secret DeWalt tools, yeah.
Fucking guy.
Yeah.
This is so fucking tight. God damn it. There we go.
Do it self-shut again.
Yeah, there we go. So they actually teach us this in school. Hunter can attest to this, but you're supposed to sniff the glue to make sure it's good. Oh yeah, it's good. I'm just joking. Don't do that, kids. So getting in these basements without stairs is really hard sometimes. This is how Hunter is getting in this house right now.
My drill light fall out.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, because they don't put stairs for us, so that's what we do to get in every unit. All right, people, I'm gonna show you how to get the strain through the pipe when the strain doesn't just fall through. Fucking tie these nails and screws together. Just like this. This might be too much. We're gonna try it. Now you get your pipe. Goes through, give it a shake, and bam, string through the zip pipe. I like it very much. Nice little trick. Josh,
Spare my fucking toe.
oh shit, these strings are long. Just to fuck with the Tellus guys. Just imagine that the Tellus and Shaw guys pulling. It's like, yeah, just keep pulling the string. Fucking like kilometer long. Like, yeah, almost there. Keep pulling.
What's that?
The bonding screw. Yeah.
But it did twist itself around nicely.
Yeah, for any inspectors watching this video, just ignore that. Don't read into that at all. That panel's not.
Well, that's not against code. It's the exact same screw.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, inspectors, come
It's
at
just got a
us.
different head on it than the number 8 bit.
For our 5 panels in 1 day challenge, we started at 9:30 and we're gonna be off at 1:30. So that's fucking mint, dude. Like, I bet we could have honestly done like 8 or 9.
Oh yeah.
Like, really? So come at us. Anybody from work, You're fucking slow compared to this crew. Come at us. Oh, get ready for Hunter's favorite part. He's gonna punch the shit out. Oh, there it is. Oh.
I don't know. Oh, actually slid nice.
That was actually anticlimactic. Alright guys, just finished the last panel. That was 5 panels in 4 hours. Fucking Hunter banged out the panel, banged out the 3/4. Now we're done. So thanks for watching everybody, and we'll catch you in the next video.